Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today I actually decided to share with you a little venture going onto eBay, because this is something I often do. I can't really help myself when it comes down to all the Akai stuff, and just decided to share this with you guys, and yeah, go online, have a look and see what's out there for the Akai S950s, etc. And usually what I do is I'll go on eBay and I type Akai, and it's mad, like, because so not Aki, what am I doing? AKAI. So type Akai, have a little search around, see what's out there, see what sort of prices things are going for. Look, you've got an Akai S2000 going for £210. Now, to be honest, looking at this, doesn't come with all the output boards. It doesn't have much in the lines of, it's got the SCSI and all that, but it doesn't have the outputs. And I think for that price, wait a minute. Okay, so it's pack tested. Yeah, it's passed pack testing. And it's got an HXC emulator. My question to the seller would be, how many ROMs has it actually got in it? How many ROMs do you get with that? It says 0 out of 100, so assuming it's got maybe some ROMs with it, so they might be worth asking the person. But the thing is about this, if you're looking to buy one of these Akai S2000s, the only thing is about them is they don't really have the waveform on the screen, and the display is quite small. But you can use it same way. It's got 16 gigabyte of RAM. You can use this as an external sampler if that's something you want to do. Akai S2000, flash floppy, Gotek SD converter. Gotek SD converter, including, oh no, it's not an SD converter, mate. It's a USB one. Look, it's got a dongle in it, so that's a bit weird. Seller ashtray wasp. It says includes 16 gig USB with S1000 sample images and blank floppy disk. Doesn't say how many. Library's not really listed. Look, there's another one here. They're selling a floppy disk emulator for the S01 for 63 quid plus £4 something postage, I think, which looks a bit nuts. Here we go. Look, here's an Akai S1000 MIDI sampler, 450. Now this one here, I remember DJ Hype used to have one of these back in the day. I never really actually went out and bought one, yeah, I remember Hype had one of these, and you know, he used to do his stuff on it. But like 455, I still see they're still holding their value. It says full working order, minor scuffs, new power supply, OS 2.2 replacement, backlight inverter is what? Backlight inverter, where is it? Backlight inverter. It doesn't say. It says backlight inverter is, read more. But when you click on read more, it says what? Here we go. Is in great condition and functions quietly. The tactile pads, buttons and potentiometers are all functional. So this is a working version. 450 is about the same price you get at 954. And differences between this one, I guess, is because it's got the data wheel instead of the buttons. Like where the S9 or the Akai S3000 that had the buttons, it was for navigation. You use the data wheel with this one. But again, it's still a good sampler. I wonder if you can see around the back. Does it show you any outputs? It's hardware test showing you that. It's showing a lot of the front. What does it say here? Okay, so it can format a disk so the drive works. Okay, around the back, you've got 8 outputs. It's pretty sparse compared to the 3000 around the back. You've got the SCSI installed, so you can more likely use recycle and that with it. Looks like an okay buy. I do actually want to get an S1000 at some point, just so I can mess about with the HXC emulators on it and maybe have a mess about with it, see what it's like. But you know, 450 is a bit on the upside, to be fair, a bit steep. Yeah, so let's go back to our little Akai, have a look and see what else is on online right now. You've got loads of MIDI controllers and stuff. Okay, you've got guys selling Gotex there. Let's have a look. What we got here? Akai S3000. Yeah, look, 3000 XL, £215. 1 day to go. Look at that, it's in the box, mate. It's looking pretty good. Probably be worth reading the description. Okay, the backlight looks a bit faint from the image, but it might be because he's using a flash. But let's have a little read. So it says Akai 3000 MIDI stereo sampler, conditioners used, dispatch with raw mail. I've owned this from new, shows my age, it's fully working order, comes with original box. Again, I'd wonder what the backlight is like on this. It's got 4 bids, so people are pretty hot on it. I bought one of these the other day. I don't know what these sort of things sell for now. I think it's about 130 quid or something, if you get a bargain. But I'm going to go completed listings, right? Let's see what sort of money these things sell for. And comment down below, guys. Let me know how much you've paid for your Akai samplers recently, if you bought one. Okay, so you've got some parts, some meter bridge from some Akai thing here. Oh, look at that, an old Akai, whatever it is, amplifier. Sold for 49 quid. Nuts. Retro tape stuff. Let's just do a search for Akai samplers, see what happens. Some old school business, man. Look at that, you get the manual for a tenner. We've got EMU sampling memory. What else we got? I've got quite a few of these Akai 2000. Look at that, one sold for 56 quid used. Alright, and that was it full working order? Conditions used, collecting person, came from USA. Now buy home from Surrey. So I guess it's must be 240 volts still. They must have sorted that out. Oh, what was that I just saw there? Hang on, what's this? Just saw something there. It's an Akai sample. It looked like hard drives. Floppy disk emulator for Akai MPC. What else we got? I just saw something. Look interesting. £82. Look, S3000. £82. 2 bids. It's 4 days to go. And look at the backlight on that. It's quite bright. So that's looking good. So let's have a look. Akai Professional dispatch within second class post. That's not a bad buy. That's probably worth a watch if someone's looking to buy that. I mean, obviously I've got Akai's already. I've got all the Akai's I need for the time being. And oh look, here you got raw boy. Look at that. Flipping Akai. That's sold for grand. What did this have on it? Shoot. Vintage sampler. Test RAM. Akai 900. S900. Akai's 90 trigger option equipped with USB. What? So it's an Akai. Had an Akai with an HXC emulator popped in there with no screen as well. Look at that. I mean, my ones that I sell, they have screens on it. And oh, it's an S900. You can see there's a bit of a gap there. Bloody hell, that went for bucks, man. Shoot. Let's see what else we can find. That's quite high price, man. Someone really did want to collect that. Alright, 205. That's not a bad price for S3000. Again, look at the backlight. It's not bad from here. Let's see what else we got. 200 quid seems to be the going rate now for Akai's now. I remember when these were like 100 and odd quid online. Look at that SO1. I've never used the SO1 to be fair. SCSI CD-ROM drive. What the hell has gone on here? Circuit bent. Oh wow. Circuit bent Akai SO1, guys. Look at that. Circuit bent Akai SO1. That sold for 39 quid. That's quite cheap. Look at that. That's nice. Akai S1000, S3000 XL LED screen. They look quite popping, these screens. And it's for 79. Look, it's got that kind of luminous. Oh, that looks nice, man. I might think about getting one of them at some point and installing one of them. Look how clean that screen looks, man. It looks mint. Will it go on the XL as well? Yeah, go on the... Alright, no, it doesn't say. It'll go on the 3200. I could put that on my 3200. Comment down below if you want to see a video of me installing that screen on my 3200. It's really nice colour, that one. What? No way. Let me see what's going on there. This one went for £95. Hold on. Rate Akai S3000. This is the one that has the same converter as MPC. Basically, screen is knackered and won't show a display. Okay, that's fixable. No, prepared to spend. Not prepared to spend money as I've got it part of a studio job lot. Hence the up for grabs. Selling as spares or repairs. Blimey, look. That went for cheap, man. For what it was. Probably could have fixed that up. I wonder if it was powering up. I wonder if the lights came on. Nah. Something a bit weird about this one anyway. Look, he's opened it up, he's gone in there, he's probably decided he can't fix it. Why would you open it up if you ain't got the time to flipping to repair it? That makes sense. You just sell it as it is. So something was fishy about that. I wonder how the person got on who bought that. Akai S3000 has an LED screen. What else we got? 299. I wanna. Oh, this is a good one. Look, this one went. I saw this one. This one went from like flipping 60-70 quid. I thought it was going to do about £90. This CD3000. CD3000 is still a good buy. The only thing is about CD3000 is it doesn't sample, but that's nothing, man. You can just like sample and then use recycle to transfer your samples to and from the sampler. So it's no big deal really, if that's what what you're looking for. Last few high contrast screen for $950. I've got one of those in mind. I've got the alien green LCD. I do like these screens, man. They're quite nice. Alright, so let's have a look and see if I can find an Akai, because I'm after an Akai S950 hard drive. SCSI. You know the SCSI board. I think it's called the IB something. What? Damn! Look at this. Click on that. Okay, so this one was a Akai S950 Professional with SCSI external hard drive, good condition, and fully working with power cord included. Comes with Micronet 44 megabyte external SCSI 44 meg. You know, that was a lot of memory back in the day. There is no power cord included. Oh wow, look at this. I want to see the pictures. Can I even see what that looks like? Are there any photos or what? Ah, here we go. Let's see what we got here. Oh wow, look at it. So the SCSI goes in there. It's called IB109. Right, let's have a look at that. So we need an IB109. Akai. I'm going to hold on to that for a minute. I'm going to be searching for an IB109, man, because these must be quite rare to get hold of. Flipping hell, man. I know you can transfer samples using the RS323 or 232C interface. And look, it's got the digital as well. I don't think mine's got a digital on the back as well. So SCSI comes with a whole digital thing as well. That was a boy, man. This looks good. If you had the GoTech in the front of that as well, that would be. It's quite clean as well, man. That'd be worth money if you had a GoTech. So that went for $750. All working. Imagine that modded up with the alien green screen as well, man. That would be pretty sick. So let's have a look. Akai S950 went for $460 there. Bit of a dodgy picture. What does it say here? Let's have a look. Let's see. Where's the bloody description? Yeah. Akai S950 vintage sampler, good condition, nice and bright LCD screen. The picture clearly indicates that it hasn't been switched on. I've ordered a new cable to be included. Okay, so he's going to throw a new cable in. 465 bids. Goes for good money, man. Good money, guys. Look at that one. Right, so now let's look at that. It's decent. It's got like a little library with it as well. Right, guys. So what I'm going to do now, let me have a quick look for this SCSI. I really want to see if there's any Akai IB109s going. IB208, 8 output board for S3000, a spares. IB109. Oh no, that's not it. What's this? IBID. No, no good. Let's see. What's this one? No, that's not it. IB304. Yeah, they come up on here. Looks like quite rare, man. They come up quite rare on here, man. Damn. Alright, so I'm going to have to save that search, mate, on my Akai. If anyone out there got an IB109 for sale for the Akai S950, man, I'll have some of that. But you know what, guys, as well, you can apparently you can connect your Akai to your computer. I don't know what I'm doing. Won't get one on AliExpress. You can connect your Akai to your computer, your S950 to your computer. S950 950 to sampler to PC. Let's have a look, see how you do that. Getting Akai onto my computer, look, on the old gear slots. Let's have a look. Let's see. Hi there, after some help and advice, I have an Akai S950. I'd love the sound of the audio digital to analog converters. I don't want to ever want to get rid of it. However, I'm using it less and less, slowing down my workflow. I want to be able to record it and transfer recordings, ideally to my Mac, so that I can edit and say propeller heads recycle. Boy, there's a long one there, mate. Let's see. Oh yeah, another thread complaining about the workflow and nice technology. What? Hang on. Or another option is to modify it with a Captain Crunch mod. What the hell's that? This adds an output from the sampling ACD DAC pair and the input filter, which changes frequency of the sampling rate selected. What? What are these guys doing to the samplers, man? Akai. Captain Crunch. What? Okay, check this out. Akai S950 mods. We've got... Okay, floppy disk mod. What the hell is this? Memory. Okay, memory. Oh, I've got a pair of them up for sale if anyone wants. Nah. Boo, 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 boo. No good. Well guys, I guess that's it for today's video. I've done a bit of searching online for an Akai. If you want to do some of this searching online again with me guys, please smash that like button, comment down below if that's what you want to see me doing next. Yeah, hanging out online, checking out some tech, why not? Peace out.